Welcome to FunKe Science, and today I have a very interesting experiment that I want to showcase. So first, light your piece of paper, place it inside the flask or bottle, and then cover with an egg. We'll let it burn for a few minutes, seconds or so that it can enter like that. And then pop. There it goes. Watch it. Is it going to enter? There it goes. There it goes. Can you see it moving? It's about to pop in. There. Will it go in further? It's still on. Yes. You can see it moving slowly. Yeah! See, the egg is in the bottle. The paper is still burning. Air is made up of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The paper used up all the oxygen in the flask while also heating up the air that is in, so that it created a difference in pressure. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks, till next time. This has been FunKe Science. I've been Dennis. Bye bye.